Okay guys, here Phil the German, and in my first video we are unboxing the Italeri U.S.Infantry World War II set 6120, scale 172. Okay, here is the front side, very nice picture, very good painting. And on the back side we see possible colors. So you see we need 8 colors. Oh yes, there are some some paint over there, but okay, it's this set is sometimes in the box. So, and you have to be 8 years old to build and paint the figures, but there isn't much to build. Here is the original size of one figure, we can see that later. And here on that side we see all the figures who are in the set. Yeah, okay. 48 figures, and there are 3 times the same casting sheet. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, in the box are 3 times the same sheet of this. It's 16 figures, and so you get 48 figures. Okay, let's watch. Let's take a look. Yes, they are very, very good quality. Bazooka man, rifleman. Okay. Yes, there is a little bit flash, but the Italeri figures are very, very good. Over there. Guy watches. Rifleman, 2 riflemen. Over there. Okay. So you see here, there is much flash. And yeah. The plastic is very flexible. Yeah, but it's 172 for 172. Italeri is one of the best qualities. Okay, let's take a look on the back side. Okay, so look, the trousers, they are very good. Okay. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. In another video I'll show how to paint these figures. Thank you.